IMF programs. They have a poverty reduction.
IMF.
It's really boring. Don't film this.
You're really boring.
It's really dull.
Carry on
Yeah,
then.
theirs is expired, so they need to put together a new national development plan. Wow.
Random foot.